Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a blur video background in CapCut Apps. First, open CapCut and click New Project and add the video that you want to edit, and then click Add. And now you have a 6 seconds video duration, and select the main video, the layer video, and make a copy and change the copy layer into the overlay and set the position of the overlay like this, right below the main video. Now select the overlay layer and remove the background. Wait for the process. Okay, now the background of the overlay layer has been removed, and back to the main menu and choose effect, video effects, go to basic and choose blur. Okay, now you can adjust the intensity of the blur and then hit OK. Still adjust the the intensity of the effect to make it more realistic, and then hit OK, and this is the result. Here it is. That's the tutorial how to blur video background in CapCut Apps. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.